Good day, folks. How's everyone doing? It's Matthew here. Here's a close look at a few of the pieces that I finished up for some of the videos on the feed. We have a beautiful piece of Jatoba, some Wenge, and some Shedua. Each of these were sanded to a different grit. This one being 320, this one sanded to 400, and this one sanded to 220. And you can really see by the reflection of the light in the window there, the different level of sheen. And today what I wanted to show you is how I can easily step the sheen of this piece up. This was only sanded to 220, nice satin sheen, beautiful piece of wood. What we're going to do is take this 4000 grit pad, we're going to put that on the sander and give this a quick buff and apply another coat, and then we'll come back and check out the sheen difference. So look at the phone set up, let's do this and step up that sheen quickly and easily. All right, folks, there you have it, all buffed off. Let's take a closer look. Beautiful chatoyance. Look at those colors just popping. Definitely a lot more reflective. And let's put it down beside these ones and take a raking angle look. You can see that light coming through and bouncing off, and it's actually quite a bit more shiny and reflective than the other pieces. As you can see, the reflection of this light from up here is very clear compared to these ones where it's muted out and you can't see that reflection of light. So beautiful refraction of light, nice step up of sheen, depth and clarity of the piece. So there you go, quick and easy way to step up the sheen of your work, and you can do that with any grit to the desired sheen level that you're looking for. 400, 600, 800, 1000, 2000, 4000, whatever you want. You can even bring the sheen level down if you find you have a piece that's too shiny. So one quick and simple, easy way to adjust the sheen level of your Odie's finished piece. There you go, folks. Have a great day. We'll see you out here on the next one.